Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix friends profile are not showing on Snapchat. To do this, first check your internet connection. After check your internet connection, close your Snapchat app and go to your phone setting. Scroll down, tap on apps. Now search for your Snapchat app. Tap on Snapchat. Scroll down. Tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. Go back. And now tap on permissions. Make sure all permission is enabled. After doing that, go to your Play Store and search for Snapchat. Update your Snapchat if it's available. If it's still having this problem, it may be a temporary server issue. Wait until Snapchat fix it. Thank you.